What's going on, everybody? We're going to start out this video with a compilation of the top going back on the hole, and then we'll catch up afterwards with the steering replacement as soon as this is done.
All right, everybody, we're getting a little bit closer here. We're almost there. We just need to put the steering cable back in afterwards. And we had to cut the zip tie on there for this in order for this to fit. We cut the zip tie on here, and you know, I don't think that's going to cause any trouble. It's just an air intake. It might hit the bottom of the hole and suck up in a little water or whatever, but it's not a big deal. And then this is going to go in back into here. We have to set the hole back into the right spot for the gas cap, wherever that is, over there. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna pop this side cover off, and we're ready to go after that. Can't wait. Okay, one pain in the neck are the bolts on the steering cable. I'm gonna take you on this ride with me inside the jet ski hole. Maybe you'll get in my way, maybe not. In hopes to get the steering back into place. Alright, got to do this by feel. So there's this bolt that comes through here. Yeah, there it goes. And then there's a washer and a lock nut right there. And we got to get those underneath there. So now that we're on, we can pull this back a little bit. Hopefully we can get that in there. That's going to be an absolute pain in the neck, it looks like. Looks like the only way we're going to get in there is with two wrenches. Maybe a ratcheting wrench if we're lucky. Actually, let me try you on the other side. Maybe you get a better view of it. We're on. That's it. We got it. Magic. And that's all we got to do right there. It's hard to see, but now it's back on there. See if we can do with that. We're going to try to take you with us again. See if we can tighten this thing down, because it is a lock nut. Make sure I'm going the right way. That one there. All right, we're plenty tight. Too tight. You know what? We're down below. We're supposed to be up top. You gotta be kidding me. Fun fact, this goes on the top. Guess this would be round 2. See if that makes it any better. Guess you should try it before you buy it, right? Oh yeah, much smoother. Oh man, that makes so much more sense, huh? Alright, now I'm not having any issues. So what we're going to do is we're going to redo this again. This should be a little bit easier to put on because now I don't have to hold everything down. Let's see. That's it. That's it. All right. All right, fire it up. Let's see. I don't have the key. All right, everything is back together. We put these stainless washers back into place, but I would not recommend them after doing it. We'll see how much stronger they actually are. Very doubtful. Put the front storage back on, battery back on. Actually, we can just do that. We don't have the key today, but here you go. So it's back on, it's working. So can't wait to get it on the water. We have the cold air intake in here and the ribbon delete. So I showed it once, but here's another one. That's the ribbon. Look at this. Look at, you can barely see through it. Look at that. It's wacky, huh? But anyways, got rid of that, did a ribbon delete, did a cold air intake, cleaned it up, gooped it up, sprayed CD lube on it, which I forgot to do again. And hopefully that'll finish everything else up we need with this. Get it on the water pretty soon, hopefully, and test it out. See what kind of performance increases we get, and we'll see what happens from there. All right, thanks for sticking with me through this. Hope it helped you out, and we'll see you on the water soon. Take it easy.